You probably like over these buttons right now. You ready to rock and roll? Oh, we are going to get a new car seat. So, time to go to our favorite place. Where's that?
Target!
Going to Target. Get the honey and kiddo. You ready for a new car seat? Huh? I think so. So as you can see, we're in our favorite store. So we got two different seats that we were trying to choose in between. So one was the Even Flow, which we already have a car seat and a stroller. So we were hoping that it sort of could work with the same bases that we have in the cars. But ultimately, we ended up going with the Graco 4-in-1 Grow With Me because we think it's going to be a little more. Is that you? Good job. We think it's going to be a little more comfortable, but we'll see. I'll show you guys the unboxing. We'll get it all set up and give you some reviews. Alright, so like I mentioned when we were at Target, we decided to go with the Graco Grows4Me. I think I mentioned, or I think I called it like the Grows With Me. That's not what it's called. It's a Grows4Me 4-in-1 car seat. It basically goes from 5 pounds up to 110. I think it should last us for a while. So what I'll do is I'll get this thing busted open, get you guys a demo, maybe even put Caden in it. Yeah, let's see it. But this thing looks plush, bro. Like, you see all of this? All this padding? These things out of the way. It's like doubled up for the cushions on the seat. I mean, it's like the Bugatti of car seats. Not quite. Honey?
Yeah?
Where's Caden?
Right here.
Can you bring him in here? He snapped. Whoa, look at you. Looking like a big boy. Yeah. Pound it. No? Alright, well. We still need to do some adjusting, but it looks like Caden's gonna fit perfectly in this seat. Right? Check it out. Alright guys, well, now I'll see you for the install. Time to get the old car seat unhooked and get the new one in. Man, this thing is a lot larger than the other one. You probably can't see really good from there. Let's move you for a second. There we go. The ball is still not in the blue. So this one's definitely a bit bulkier than our last car seat setup, but I guess you assume he's getting bigger, so car seat's gonna get bigger, which means we probably need to switch cars. All right, so put the car seat in the car, hooked up the straps, thought I was gonna be done, and I'm not. This car seat is wobbly as ever, which means I probably did something wrong. So you know what I'm doing? I'm going back to the manual. So YouTube, it's in. Still don't feel great about it. There's a little wiggle, but I think actually still in this car. But it says if it doesn't move more than an inch, then we're good. That feels like it's moving. Alright, let's do some more tinkering. It's time to go check out the new car seat. Look at the interior on this thing. Highlighter green, fully padded. Let's check the no movement, cause Dad's awesome at his job. All right, we did it. Car seat all installed. Safety check. Alright guys, so that is it for today's episode. I want to thank you all for coming along with us as Detrone does getting a car seat. Well, technically Caden got a car seat, but you still got to see the process. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, subscribe, and if you don't, I guess I won't be offended. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.